हेलो व्यूअर्स, वेलकम माय लेक्चर। पिछले लेक्चर में हमने पैटर्न का सेकंड लेक्चर तैयार कर दिया था और मैंने उसको समझा भी दिया था। ओके, तो मैं एक बार दिखा देता हूँ कि पिछला हमने लेक्चर क्या तैयार किया था। पिछला हमने ये वाला पैटर्न तैयार किया था। ओके, आज हम थोड़ा सा कुछ नया बनाते हैं पैटर्न में। आउटर लूप में होगा इसी टाइप का, कुछ अलग नहीं होगा, लेकिन जो मेरा जो आज का जो पैटर्न होगा ये वाला 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5। ओके, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5। तो आज हम लेक्चर में ये तैयार। ओके, तो आइए सबसे पहले हम इसका कोड को क्रिएट करेंगे। इसका कोड कैसे बनेगा। ओके, तो इसका कोड बनाने के लिए हमने क्या किया, वही सबसे पहले हमने इसकी फाइल सेव कर दी example33.c हैश include studio input output.h मेन फंक्शन बॉडी, इनके अंदर हमने a एंड b दोनों वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर कर दिए। ओके, उसके बाद outer loop a equals to 1, a less than equals to 5, a plus plus, then body, and this is outer loop. This is outer loop. Then inner loop b equals to 1, b less than equals to 5, and b plus plus. Then inner loop. Okay, print in %d, यहाँ पे आप क्या प्रिंट कर देंगे b। ओके, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट लाइन में जाने के लिए आपको क्या करना है, एंटर यानी कि स्लेश। तो सबसे पहले हम इस कोड का समझ लेते हैं काम कैसे कर रहा है। आइए पहले हम इसको थोड़ा सा समझने का ट्राई करते हैं। ओके, मैं ये सब इरेज कर देता हूँ। ओके, हमने क्या किया है, हमने एक फॉर लूप लगाया है। क्या लगाया, फॉर लूप। पेंसिल ले लेते हैं। ओके, हमने यहाँ पे फॉर लूप लगाया। फॉर, इसको लिखना ही पड़ेगा, ऐसे सही नहीं लिखा है। तो फॉर लूप कैसे लगाया हमने, फॉर लूप लगाया हमने फॉर a equals to 1, a less than equals to 5, a plus plus, then body start, then b equals to 1, b less than equals to 5, then b plus plus। ओके, उसके बाद फिर बॉडी स्टार्ट, फिर हमने यहाँ प्रिंट ऑफ कर दिया है यहाँ पे %d और यहाँ पे प्रिंट कर दिया हमने क्या है यहाँ पे b का। ओके, उसके बाद हमने यहाँ पे इसको इनर लूप को बंद कर दिया। उसके बाद आउटर लूप में आके हमने इसको क्या करा, इसको नेक्स्ट लाइन में एंटर कर दिया। उसके बाद यहाँ पे आपकी आउटर लूप क्लोज। अभी चल कैसे रहा है, इसको हम थोड़ा सा एग्जीक्यूट करके देखते हैं। ओके, उससे समझ भी अच्छे से आएगा ये काम कैसे कर रहा है। फर्स्टली a initialization 1, then condition check। ओके, फर्स्टली a equals to 1 यानी कि फर्स्टली a initializations with a with 1 and then condition check 1 less than 5, yeah, conditions is true, then execute of our block mean of inner loop, and b equals to 1, b less than 5, yeah, what is the value of a, b is value 1. Okay, and condition check 1 less than 5, yeah, condition is true, condition is true. What is the value of b is equals to 1, b is print. Okay, then value update of b, what is the value of b, 2 less than 5, yes, 2 less than 5, then execute of our block, what is the value of b equals 2, then value update of b, what is the value of b is 3 less than 5, yes, execute of our block, what is the block, what is the print statement, is the 3, b is 3, what is the value of b, 3, then value update of b, what is the b, B last value 3 and value update 4. Okay, 4 less than 5. Yes, condition is true. Condition true, to execute of our block. What is the value of B? B is 4. Then value update. What is the value of B? B is 5. Is 5. 5 less than 5? No. Condition is false. But equal mention 5 equals to 5. Yes, condition true. So what is the value of B? B is 5. Okay. Then value update of B. What is the B? Is the 6. 6 less than 5? No. Condition is false. 6 equals to 5? No. Condition is false. So not execute of block, exit of block. Exit of inner loop, then entry in outer loop, or entry loop, outer loop execute of next line. Okay. तो आपका ये यहाँ पे इस तरह से आ चुका है, यानी कि आपका नेक्स्ट लाइन में आपका यहाँ पे आ चुका है आउटर लूप, यानी कि नेक्स्ट लाइन में आ गया. देन रिटर्न टू आउटर लूप वैल्यू अपडेट 2, because firstly initialize a equals to 1, then value update a equals to 2 and then check condition 2 less than 5. Yes, of course, condition is true. Condition is true, so execute of our block. So again execute of inner loop. So what is the value of B? Again value B is starting 1, so B equals to 1 less than 5. Yes, 1 less than 5. Conditions 2 to execute of block. So what is the value of B? B is 1 again. B1 is a again. Okay. Then return to outer loop and the value update B. What is the value of B? 2 less than 5. Of course, 2 less than 5. So what is the value of B? B is print 2. Okay. Again return to inner loop, value plus 2 is 3 less than 5. Yes, condition is true to execute of our block. So what is the value of B? 3. Again value plus in B, value 4 less than 5. Yes, print what is the value of B? The 4, the 4 print. Okay, its value update of B 5 less than 5. No, 5 equals to 5. Yes, equals to 5. And condition 2 to execute of our block, the value 5. Then value update of B 6. Then condition check 6 less than 5. No. 6 equals to 5. No. Condition is false, to not execute of block. Okay. Then entry in outer loop execute of next line. What is next line? This is its next line. Okay, then return to outer loop and value 3, because last value of a 2 and value update of a, so value is 3 less than 5. Yes, 3 less than 5. Condition 2 to execute of again value of B, start B equals to 1 or B 1 less than 5. Yes, 1 less than 5. Value, what is the value of a? 1. So what is the value of print of a? B. Sorry, B. Any B. It's not B. It's not A. Only B. Okay. Then value update B. B is 2. 2 less than 5. Yes. Value update of 2. What is the 2? B. Then value update of B 3 less than 5. Okay. So last value update of 3. Latest value of B 3. Again value update of 4 less than 5. Yes, 4 less than 5. So what is the print of B? Print is the B. Again value update of B and 5 less than 5. No, 5 equals to 5. Yes, 5. So again print of 5. Okay, next again value update of B 6 less than 5. No, 6 equals to 5. No, condition is false, so not execute of our block. Exit from inner loop and then entry in outer loop execute of next line. Then value update of A. What is the A? Is the 4, because last value of A 3 and then update value of A 4 or 4 less than 5. Yes, conditions 2. Again execute of starting of B equals to 1 or 1 less than 5. Yes, 1 less than 5. So what is the value of A? What is the value of B? B equals to 1 less than 5. Yeah, condition is true. Condition true, so what is the value of print of B? B is print 1. Then value of date of B, 2. 2 less than 5. Yes, 2 less than 5. 2 less than 5. So what is the value print of B? B is print 2. Then value of date of B, 3. 3 less than 5. Okay. So what print? 3. Again value of date of B, until conditions false, value again to again update until conditions false. Okay. Then print 4 less than 5. Yeah, conditions 2 and the 4. Again value of date of B plus 5. 5 less than 5. No. 5 equals to 5. Yeah, condition is 2. So again execute over block 5. Then value of date of B, 6. 6 less than 5. No. 6 equals to 5. No. Condition is false. Exit from inner loop. Exit from inner loop and then entry in outer loop. Outer loop execute of next line statement. Next line statement. This is its next line statement. Okay. Again value of date of B, A. What is the value of A? A is 5. 5 equals to 5. No. Sorry. 5 equals to 5. 5. Not less than but equals to 5. Condition is 2 but B equals to 1. 1 less than 5. Yes, 1 less than 5. What is the value of A print? E. Again. Value of date of B. What is the value of B? 2. 2 less than 5. Yes, 2. So what is the print of B? 2 update. Again update of value of B. 3. 3 less than 5. Yes, of course 3 is like 3 less than 5. Yeah. Conditions 2. Again print of B. 3. Again update of B. 4. 4 less than 5. Yes. Conditions 2. To execute of print statement. The what is the value of 4? Again value of date of B is the 5. 5 less than 5. No. 5 equals to 5. Yes. Condition is 2. So again print of B equals to 5. Okay. Again value update of 6 less than 5. Yes. 6 less than 5. Condition is false. Yes. Condition is false. Okay. Exit from inner loop. Then next line is statement. Outer loop entry and outer loop execute of next line. Then value update of A. What is the value of A? 6. 6 less than 5. No. 6 equals to 5. No. Condition is false. Exit from outer loop. Firstly exit from inner loop, then back to outer loop and value update, then condition check. Condition is false. Exit from outer loop. Firstly outer loop, firstly inner loop, then outer loop. Both are condition false. Both exit from our block. Okay. I hope understand. Again sorry मैं इसको एक बार थोड़ा सा रन करके देख लेता हूँ. एक बार मैं इसको चेक कर लेता हूँ तो इसे कोड सही से काम कर रहा है क्या कर रहा है. GCC example 33.c. What is this? कोई कोड चल रहा है क्या? सेव नहीं किया मैंने, सॉरी. GCC example 3.c. then अब आप मेरा आंसर मैच कर सकते हैं आपके आउटपुट से. मेरा आंसर सही आ रहा है. ओके. यदि आप इसको अच्छे से करना चाहते हैं तो अगेन टू अगेन प्रैक्टिस. इफ यू वांट टू द बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस, if you want to the best, to again practice on your notebook, laptop, again to write this code. If you want to the best. Okay, I hope understand of this video. So please like or share on my video. If you have any doubt, to comment on commenter section box. If you are a user, so please subscribe my channel of coming of this video. Okay, viewers, thank you so much. Bye.